Hi loves, today we're gonna create 10 hairstyles using a Dutch braid. So let's get started. We'll begin with our half up braided top knot. So basically you want to grab our top section like I'm showing, and you want to leave some hair out if you love this look, and divide it into 3 sections. Now you want to bring side strands under the middle one, then add more hair to the side strands before bringing it under the middle strand. So basically we'll repeat this step on other side. You add hair to the side strand and bring it under the middle one. So you want to continue these steps until you have kind of the design of our Dutch braid, and about here we'll stop and we'll tie it with a clear elastic. On last time, make sure to bring your hair halfway through, and then you want to twist the ends and bring it into the clear elastic in the back. Turn out your bun from the sides and pin it like I'm showing. Pull a little bit of braid if you like this look, and your first half updo is ready. For our second hairstyle, we want to make a parting on the side we like. Grab a section of hair from one side, divide it into 3, and again you want to repeat the steps. You bring your side sections under the middle one, then you want to add more hair to the side strands before bringing them under the middle one. So you want to continue halfway like I'm showing, and we want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid. When our braid is reaching the back like I'm showing, you want to repeat your braid on other side. You can of course pull it a little bit to make it fuller and voluminous if your hair is finer and you love a fuller look. When your braids are ready, you want to bring them in the back like I'm showing and tie them with a clear elastic. Pull it again if you like this look, and the second half updo is ready. For our third hairstyle, we want to again grab our top section, leave some hair out again if you love this look like I do, and then you want to again bring your side strands under the middle one and add more hair to the side strands before crossing them under the middle one. Basically we are making the same motions, but we add hair a little bit differently. About this level we want to add more hair from the front too, like I'm showing, to create a little Mohawk style of our half updo. When your crown area is kind of already braided, you want to tie it with a clear elastic. Pull your hair halfway through again, wrap the ends around the elastic and tuck it into the elastic underneath like we did in our first half updo. Pull a little bit your braid to create a more effortless and fuller look. You can use some bobby pins to fix in place your hair so there are no elastic showing. For our next hairstyle, again we want to grab a top section, divide it into 3. So basically we will repeat the motions, and you want to make a Dutch braid all the way through like I'm showing until you have no more hair to add, finishing with a simple 3-strand braid. This is basically my favorite braid to do for my second or third day. Hair is my favorite. I just swear by this braid, truly. Now, when your braid is ready, tie the ends with a clear elastic, pull it a bit to make it fuller and voluminous, but here we have a problem. Our hair is not staying in place, so for this I'm using long bobby pins, or what bobby pins you have. If you have shorter, make sure to use more of them. Grabbing the hair, you want to pin it under our braid and you want to cover it by your braid. Simple but so effective, and it will stay in place all day long, and in the front it will look cute as well too. Next hairstyle, we want to make a parting on the side we like, and grabbing our heavy side, we want to make that our favorite Dutch braid about our ear level. We'll stop it and we'll finish with a simple 3-strand braid. Tie the ends, of course, with a clear elastic. Pull your braid to make it fuller and voluminous looking, of course. And then you want to grab all your hair left, tie it in a very low ponytail, and then you want to twist the hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail and pin it in place. So basically I love to knot it like I'm showing and bring the ends underneath and pin it in place using some bobby pins. Then you want to grab your braid and bring it over our bun like I'm showing. Hide the ends under the bun and pin it in place, of course, and pin in place your braid. For this I'm using small grips. For the next one, we want to grab tiny pieces from the front section, making sure it's reaching front section. We want to twist them away from our face and tie them in the back. Now you want to bring our crown section up and we want to divide it into two, and we want to make with these 3 sections a Dutch braid by adding more hair. This way we are covering our elastic and we'll make a cute romantic Dutch braid, finishing with a simple 3-strand braid like always.
Sunflower, you're mine. Sunflower.
Tie it with a clear elastic. Pull it to make it fuller and voluminous. If you still see your clear elastic on the top section, make sure to grab a grip and fix your hair in place and hide it. For our next one, we want to divide all our hair into 2 sections. You can make here any type of parting that you like, and we want to begin, guess what? Yes, our favorite Dutch braid. So as you can see, you want to braid all your hair from one side all the way down, finishing with a simple 3-strand braid. But here's the trick. When you are reaching the ends of your braid, you make sure to fold your braid into 2 and tie it like I'm showing. If you have any hair sticking out at this point at the ends, make sure to grab the ends and wrap them around the braid and tuck it into the elastic so we don't have any hair sticking out. You want to pull it a bit your braid to make it fuller and voluminous, especially if you have fine hair, and repeat this on other side as well. Now you want to bring these loops one through each other and pin it from the sides. Make sure to use enough bobby pins depending on how long and thick your hair is, and look how beautiful our updo turned out. For the next one, we want to make central parting all the way, and we want to make 2 Dutch braids again, finishing with a simple 3-strand braid when there is no more hair to add. And you want to tie it with a clear elastic. Now you want to repeat on the other side, of course, and you want to twist your braids in the back like I'm showing and fix them at the same point. And for this you want to bring one of the braids through another elastic like I'm showing. Now you want to grab your favorite scrunchie and tie your updo like I'm showing. You can pull it a little bit your braids, and you're done. You want to for the next hairstyle, we want to make 2 Dutch braids, but halfly like I'm showing, and tie them both together. Now we want to make an opening and bring your hair through, making a topsy tail. And then again you want to grab your hair and bring it through this opening again. Fan it out and then tie the ends with a clear elastic. If the hair is longer, we can bring it one more time through the opening, and then you want to bring the ends through the elastic of the ponytail like I'm showing, hiding it with the rest of your hair. Pin it in place and fan it out, and pin it from the sides too, so it will be nice and secure. For the last high updo, we want to divide again our hair into 2 sections. Now we want to grab a section of hair, leave some hair out if you like this look, and braid only your top section with a tiny braid like I'm showing, and you want to secure it with an elastic and repeat on other side as well like I'm showing. Now you want to grab an underneath section from one side, bring it up and tie it, creating a loop. Make sure to hide the ends by wrapping your hair around the elastic and tuck it into the elastic too, and repeat on the other side. Again, bring your loops one through each other and pin it from the sides, and pin it of course in the center so it will be secure, and you're done, guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like it and tell me in comments down below your favorite hairstyles. And of course, if you want more these theme hairstyles, I will do more with another type of braid. But that's it for today, guys, and you know I love you so much, and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!